How to log into Airbnb account. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel Guide Hub. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Airbnb account. Airbnb is a popular online marketplace that connects people looking to rent out their homes with those seeking accommodations. Now, if you want to log into your Airbnb account, you need to first open any web browser on your device, and in the search bar, you need to type airbnb.com. Once you have entered this keyword, now press the enter button to search it. Within a while, you will be taken to the official website of Airbnb. Here, once you reach to this page, here at the top, you will find profile icon. Go ahead and click on this profile icon, and then a drop-down menu will appear. Here, click on this login option. Once you click on this login, you will be presented with this login interface. Here you will need to enter your country code and the phone number associated with your Airbnb account. At the bottom, you will also see the options to log into your account using your Google account, Apple ID, or the email address. You may also choose one of these options if you have signed with it before. Here in this first box, enter your country code, and in the second box, enter your phone number. Once you have entered your phone number and the country code, now click on this continue button right here, and then a verification code will be sent to your mobile number. Once you get that code, you will be prompted to enter it in the expected field, and then you will be prompted to enter your password. Once you have entered your password, now you can tap on the login button to access your account. By following these steps, you will be able to log into your Airbnb account. If in case you have not created an account on Airbnb, you may also create an account on it by clicking on this profile icon at the top right, and from here you can choose the sign up option. By simply tapping on the sign up, you will be prompted to enter the details, and from there you will be able to create an account on Airbnb. So I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.